Hey guys, welcome to our first episode of our Full Stack Hono series. Today we will be discussing the summary of the core benefits that Hono gives us, and we'll be looking at its advantages, not so much disadvantages, but just its capabilities and its features that it provides for us. So as you know, Hono is a lightweight framework. It's ultra fast web framework that is designed for modern web development. It stands out from the crowd really because of all of its core sort of benefits and features that it provides for us. So let's look into let's look into the first actual set. So its lightweight design is the first thing that actually really stands out. And what does it mean? It means that Hono is built with like a minimalistic point of view in mind. So it's very like minimal. It's unlike heavyweight frameworks. It comes with extensive or often like quite a lot of heavy lifting, unnecessary features. Um, and Hono really specializes in like a lightweight design. What does that mean? That means that it comes with a minimal core package, so that keeps your project lean, sleek, light, that sort of thing. They have like a low memory footprint, which kind of just makes it ideal for like resource constrained environments. So it doesn't cost that much. It's not that expensive to build and to maintain. Hono actually really has an awesome and a fast initialization. So quick setup, reducing the startup time for your applications, that sort of thing, right? The next thing is performance. It has exceptional performance. Performance is really at the heart of what Hono's design philosophy is. They have ultra fast routing. They have optimized middlewares and functions you can use. They have low overhead execution that just ensures minimal performance tax. So like just ensures that the operations don't cost too much, and they'll have some very cool stuff like first class support for really cool sort of like edge functions, runtimes, those type of things. Yeah, another thing is modern web development. So when we talk about like modern web development, we talk about we can't like forget TypeScript. So TypeScript first class support is built in like out of the box, which is really cool. So it introduces a level of type safety that is just like production level up to standard, all of that kind of stuff. It has like modern and full compatibility with modern JavaScript. So you can use latest ES versions. Um, there's like a seamless integration with like serverless and edge sort of computing environments and that sort of thing. It also targets multiple platforms, so or sort of like multiple uh, product platform targets, and that would basically just be your browser, your server, your edge runtime, those type of multiple platform targets. And then its next and last thing is just how flexible it is. So yeah, again, Hono provides us with like multiple middleware options. So there's a ton of built-in functionality that just makes it so easy to plug in. And we'll see in the next episode, next video, how we can sort of like dive into it and just make our lives a lot easier using Hono. It has like cross-platform development capabilities, so it allows us to build like across different platforms, that sort of thing, environments. It has like extensible architecture. So architecture they can scale really well, they can extend that sort of thing. Yeah, again, it just supports multiple sort of like different variations or options or for like runtimes as well. And yeah, we'll briefly talk about why developers choose Hono, or at least why it's popular now. And there's like an increase in sort of like curiosity, I guess, in the dev space when it comes to Hono, because it solves a lot of pain points in modern web development, right? It reduces like boilerplate code. So the initial code that is required to set up your actual architecture, your backend, your front end, it just reduces that. Like it's a lot less code needed to do the same thing, if not more. Um, it provides like a simple, intuitive API. So yeah, this very straightforward. You can kind of do whatever you need out of the box as well. It offers excellent performance without much complex configurations as well. Again, supports cutting edge technologies as well. That sort of thing. TypeScript. Yeah, this diagram is just like an overview of what we'll be working on, what we'll be doing, and yeah, from the next episode, we'll be diving straight into the code. And yeah, I look forward to it. Thank you.